Hello girls, today we are going to learn about the water cycle and we're going to do a vocabulary activity so you can understand what the words on this video are. So let's start with the water cycle, a little bit of back knowledge so y'all remember the vocabulary words that we are practicing. So evaporation, that's going to be our first word. Condensation, precipitation, collection. Okay, guys? So pay attention to what condensation is, to what precipitation is.
Evaporation, condensation, water cycle, echo sensation, water vapor in the sky, forms clouds as it flies by. Collection happens on the ground, water in rivers, lakes can be found. New forms when it's time to rest. Water cycle is the best. Evaporation, condensation, water cycle, echo sensation, water vapor in the sky, forms clouds as it flies by. So kids, now you know the water cycle, how waters flow.
Okay, girls, so you remember what the vocabulary words on this video were?
Yes.
Okay, name them please.
Evaporation,
Okay.
condensation, precipitation.
Okay, what else? Collection. Right, girls. Okay, so the activity that we're gonna do is for y'all to be familiar with the vocabulary words that we have presented on the video of the water cycle. So this activity is called the Freyer model, which is a graphic organizer that helps you understand and remember the vocabulary words. Okay, so we're gonna have in the middle the vocabulary word, like you can see right here. It says water. Then we're gonna have on the top right corner the definition. On the bottom right corner, we're gonna have the illustration or a drawing, so y'all can draw a little drop or water or whatever the vocabulary word is. Okay, and then we're gonna we're gonna put an example and non-examples. So with the materials that are in front of you, you have the pencil and paper right there in front of you. I want you to choose one of the vocabulary words, write the definition that you think that it is, an example, a non-example, and draw an illustration of them. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Like I said, top right corner is gonna be definition. Bottom right corner is gonna be the drawing or illustration. Left top corner is gonna be example. Bottom left corner is gonna be the non-example. So let's do this one together, okay, girls? Evaporation. So what do you think evaporation is?
When the water evaporates. When the water is too hot that it has to
It becomes a
convert.
gas.
Yeah.
Okay, so evaporation. Definition. So it would be the process of turning from the liquid state to a vapor or into vapor state. What is one thing that could remind you of evaporation? So, like you said, it's becoming a gas, or it's not water anymore or liquid anymore. So, what would remind you of that?
Clouds after it rains.
So Evaporation, remember, that's precipitation.
Or water evaporating for your coffee.
Yeah, water evaporating from your coffee. That's a good one. So we're gonna draw a cup of coffee and a little gas is coming out, and we're gonna mark it with a flat little thingy right here where you can see the water is evaporating with the narrow. And we're gonna mark it evaporation. What's an example of evaporation? Can you think of anything? So when you get into the shower, your hair gets wet, right? So you're drying your wet hair. It's evaporating the water that is in your hair. So that can be an example of evaporation. All right. So drying wet hair could be an example of evaporation. What's another example?
When you get into the shower and the water is hot and it evaporates.
Very hot water from the shower. Okay, and it's good that we're doing this together, so all of us have the same things and we understand as a group. Okay, what are some non-examples of evaporation?
Ice cubes.
Exactly. What are ice cubes?
A solid form of water.
Exactly. So ice cubes equals solids. And what is a vibration? Gas.
Gas.
Okay, girls. So I want y'all to work on another word on your own. Like, or in groups, you two can work on the same word. Like condensation, I want you to work on, or precipitation, whichever one you want to work on. So decide whether you want to work on precipitation or condensation, and let me know if y'all need any help. And we're gonna review that tomorrow in class. So once y'all are done, we can talk about it.